So how can you get audio to Capcut on your iPad? Let's get started. If you are brand new on this channel, most definitely subscribe to Foxtecc because I have so many tutorials in here which I believe are going to help you out. Anyways, make sure at first that you know where your sound is located, like your audio. Make sure it is somewhere inside of the files application. It doesn't matter in which folder or in which location. Just know where it is and just be sure that it is there. Then we can move over to the Capcut application, where at the bottom of your clip in the project, we have the button to add audio. This will let us select the sounds at the bottom, and we're not going to go with the preset sounds, or you can see we have the TikTok option here as well. But what we have to do instead is to click on this little folder icon and then click on another folder, which is the device, right? Then click on the blue button, which is titled Select from Device, and the Apple Files app are going to be pulled out, right? You can see that we have the window right here. And the reason is, the reason why I told you to locate it at first is to know where you can find it now, right? So you have to go through your folders, like perhaps go to your iPad, go to your folders as usual, and locate the audio file, which you can tap on, click on Open, and it will open it up within this view right here. Then click on the blue plus button and make sure it shows up to be part of your project. And once you do all of this, you'll be able to just get access to your audio, edit it within your project, apply effects, trim it, do whatever you want, but it is already part of your Capcut video editing project. So that's it from me. Let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.